First you solve all this. Then I will give you the option. Then everybody has to participate in giving the answer. Huh. First question is minus 64 plus 100 minus 3. Minus 64 plus 100 minus 3. Second question is find the absolute value of minus mod of minus 5. Absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of minus 3. A is minus 10, B is minus 6. Find the value of A minus minus B. A minus minus B. Okay. Then fill in the blank. Minus 35 plus dash is equal to 42. Find out this blank number. Then fifth is successor of minus 99 plus 1. You have to be very much careful. Okay, do not take any problem. You got all the answer? Hello, I think, yes, I think first one is done by everybody. So let me give you the option of first. A option. A option is A option is A option is A option is option A is no wait B is 167, C is minus 167, and option D is 33. Okay, wait. For first one I have written the option. Option A 32, option B 167, option C minus 167, option D 33. Now start sending me the answer. Pankaj, Pavitra Kumawat D, Arav Joshi D, Tanmay Shinde D, Ashok Mali D, Varun Patel D, Ayush Das C. How C, my dear? Pranav D. Chalo, send me the answer. Shubh D, Darsh More D, Niharika Sharma D, Prachi Rathod D, then Urja D, Shubh D. Where is Bhavesh Mali, answer is okay, there is no answer. Division roll number you are writing. Gar Vyas D. Chalo, let us log the answer. So first answer, correct answer is B. Plus 33. How see here? Minus 64 plus 100 minus 3. First we simplify. 1 minute. First we simplify these two. What is sign of 64? Minus. Sign of 100 plus. Minus and plus opposite sign. Whenever you have opposite sign, you have to subtract. Not minus. You have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. So which number is bigger? 100 minus 64 is 36. Which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? Plus 100. So plus 36 minus 3. Again minus and plus opposite sign. Again you have to subtract and take the sign of bigger number. 36 minus 3 is 33. Which number is bigger? 36. What is sign of that? Plus. So answer is plus 33. First answer is yes. So first correct answer is option D, that is plus 33. Option D plus 33. Chalo, let me give you the option of B. Okay. Option of B question. A is second question. Option A is 2 B's minus 2 C's, 8 D's minus 8. चलो start sending me the answer. Garv Vyas, Tanmay, Arav Joshi C, Pranav Kotian B. Pranav Kotian B. How Pranav B? Check your calculation. Tanmay Shinde C, Pavitra Kumawat C, Bhavesh Mali C. Yes. Bhavesh Mali C, Anushri Sakhalkar C. Chalo. Is there anybody left whose name I have not pronounced? Send me the answer. Let me. Dharti C. Yes. Dharti C. Hina Chaudhary C. Advaita C. Garvya C. Where is Sia Wala today? Sia Wala is not present. Ashok Mali C. Bhavesh Mali C. You are there, but your name. Okay. Ankita C. Sia Wala, what is your answer? Prachi C. Ayush C. Ayush Das C. Bhavesh Mali C. Your answer is D. Yes, Sia Wala, what is your answer? D. Not nearby. Answer is definite, my dear. Either C or D or A or B. Okay, if you are saying nearby will not be accepted. See here. Let me. So majority are telling the answer C. So let us log the answer C. Why? See this. See the reason. Absolute value of any negative number is positive. Positive number is positive, but any negative number is also positive. So absolute value of minus 5 plus absolute value of minus 3. Absolute value of minus 5 will be plus 5 plus absolute value of minus 3 will be 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the correct answer is 8. Any negative number is also positive. Any positive number is positive. So absolute value of any number, absolute value of any number, whether it is negative or positive, in both the case it will be positive only. So correct option is C. Answer is D. Okay. Correct option is C. Answer D. Okay. Chalo. Third one. Third one. Third one. Option A is 16, B is minus 16, C is plus 4, D is minus 4. Be careful, my dear. Chalo, start sending the answer. Pavitra Kumawat. My dear, once I will say start means then I can read. Pranav Kotian D. Dars More A. Varun Patel. Anushri B. Anushri B. Pavitra D. Anushri B. Ashok Mali A. Garv Vyas B. One. Mate, my dear, you are right. Nobody will tell me separately. You write, I am reading, no. Arav Joshi D. Varun Patel D. Pavitra D. Varun Patel D. Mute the microphone. So Anushri gave the answer B. Anushri Shubh Shah D. Shubh D. Okay. So which answer should be logged? Yes? See here. So far only two students, Anushri and Garv Vyas, they gave the option B, and that is my. So two students, Anushri and Garv Vyas, they gave the answer B, minus 16, and their answer is absolutely correct. B is equal to B minus 16 is absolutely correct. Why? See the reason. See the reason. I told you, do not take it lightly. A minus minus B. Okay, A minus minus B. I had told you whenever two signs are together, what it becomes? Minus minus plus. So this becomes A plus B. Now you put the value of A. A is minus 10 and B is minus 6. Again two signs are together, plus and minus. Plus minus will become minus. So minus 10 minus 6. Now what is sign of 10? Minus. What is sign of 6? Minus. Minus minus means same sign. So whenever minus minus have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Whenever they have same sign, add the number and take the common sign. What is common sign of minus minus? Minus. Wait my dear. Minus minus common sign will be minus. And add the number. 10 plus 6, 16. Answer is minus 16. Answer is minus 16. Option B. Anushri and Garvyas. These two students gave the answer B. So their answer is absolutely correct. Very good. Anushri and Garvyas. This was difficult problem. And both of you gave the correct option B. Very good. And I was expecting the correct answer from everybody, not only two students. But how others are writing A, somebody is writing D. Okay, my dear, this is mathematics. You have to be very much precise and accurate. Okay, is it clear? My dear, if you use calculator, calculator will not follow your board marks. Okay, so calculator will give you wrong answer. Do not use calculator. Minus minus become plus. So A plus B. What is the value of A? Minus 10. Minus 10 plus minus 6. Plus into minus minus. So minus 10 and minus 6 both have same sign. Minus minus. Same sign. Add the number. Take the common sign. So 10 plus 6, 16. Common sign of minus minus will be minus. Minus 16. Yes? Yes, Garv Vyas, you are there? Very. Yes, to rest of the students, is it clear? Or you want me to explain once again? Yes, tell me. I do not want you to repeat such mistake again. Anybody? Yes. Is it clear? Minus 16 is the answer. Minus 16 is the answer, my dear. Chalo, let me write the option for fourth one. Let me write the option for fourth one. Let me write the option for fourth one. And when I will tell you, start sending me the answer, then only you send me. You send in advance? Yes? Speak. I am listening. Yes, tell me. No problem? Okay, chalo. Fill in the blank. Fourth one. Fourth question. Option A is 7. B is 77. C is minus 7. D is minus 77. Chalo, start sending me the option. तन्मय शिंदे बी, वरुण पटेल बी, वामसी रावरिया बी, अंकिता सिंह बी, गर्व व्यास बी, अंश यादव बी, ध्रुवी बी, प्रणव कोटियन बी, अशोक माली सी, हाउ यू आर गेटिंग सी माय डियर? आरव जोशी बी, पवित्रा कुमावत बी, पाशा बी, अनुश्री बी, अभिप्सा भुवन बी, आर्या सानप बी, मोहम्मद मिकाल बी, भावेश माली बी, नील पांचाल बी. Yes, Ashok Mali, how you are giving the answer? Mohammed Mikael A. Mohammed Mikael A. Okay. Chalo, majority are giving the answer B, which is plus 77 is absolutely correct answer. Why? See this. Minus 35 plus dash, dash we can consider x is equal to 42. Okay. So this x value we have to find. So before equal to sign, it is my left hand side. After equal to sign, it is my right hand side. And whenever we change the side, repeating, no, solving this. We want to find this blank, so blank we consider x. So minus 35 plus x is 42. Before equal to sign, it is my left hand side. After equal to sign, right hand side. Whenever you change the side of any number, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. So now let us see. Minus 35 is on left hand side and 35 is having minus sign. When you will take minus 35 on right hand side, it will become plus 35. Minus 35 of left hand side, when you will take minus 35 on right hand side, it will become plus 35. So x is equal to 42 plus 35. Now both have same sign, plus plus. You can add the number. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So the answer is 77, plus 77. The answer is plus 77. Yes. Mohammed Mikhail, is it clear? Plus 77. Yes. My dear, step by step I will discuss. First I am discussing 4. Then I am going to discuss 5th. No, have patience. Okay, I gave you to solve this. If you are not able to solve, have patience. Let me discuss. Yes, Mohammed Mikhail, is it clear? Plus 77, how we have got? Okay, so this number we have to find. We consider x. So before equal to sign, this is my left hand side. After equal to right hand side, minus 35 on left hand side is negative. Then you will take minus 35 on right hand side. When you will take minus 35 on right hand side, it will become plus 35. 42 plus 35 plus plus same sign. Add the number, take the common sign. So have patience. Okay. So always focus on yourself. When you focus on others, your problems are not resolved. Your problems remain problem only. When you start seeing others. Okay. So focus on yourself. Chalo, successor of minus 99 plus 1, minus 99 plus 1, minus 99 plus 1, minus 99 plus 1. Successor of minus 99 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 5th one. Wait now, wait my dear. Option A is 100. Option B is minus 100. Option C is minus 97. Option D is minus 98. Okay, chalo, send me the answer. Darsh More C, Varun Patel C, Yashveer Dinesh Patel C. Chalo, send me the. Nobody will tell me the answer personally. You send in the chat box, I will read. My dear, what I can do? Chalo, Okay. Pavitra Kumawat C, Arav Joshi C. Shia what is your answer? D. Today you are not giving the accurate answer, my dear. What is happening to you? Ichha Chaudhary C, Mahendra Devasi C, then Ayush C, Ayush Das C, Pranav Kotian C, Bhavesh Mali C, Mahendra C, Ayush Das C. Yes, Mohammed Mikhail, what is your answer? Write the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Mahendra Devasi C. Lavina Baraskar C. Yes, Gauri Sawant is not there today. Gauri Sawant. Yes, Tanmay Shinde is there. What is your answer? You are not sending me the answer, Tanmay, right? C is the answer. Okay. C is the answer. Let us see. So correct option is C. How? Let me see. Successor of minus 99. Successor of minus 99 plus 1. Successor of, how we find successor of minus 99? For successor we add 1. Then again we have plus 1. How we find this? 99 is having minus sign. So minus and plus opposite sign, you have to subtract. Minus 99 plus 1 will be minus 98. Minus 98, again you have plus 1. Again minus and plus opposite sign, you have to subtract. Minus 97. Yes. So answer is minus 97. So the correct answer is minus 97. So if there is any student, so you write down in the chat box, all of you, your score. You write down all of your score. Honestly, you will write. You write down your score out of 5. How many questions you did correctly? Garv Vyas 3 out of 5, Tanmay Shinde 4 out of 5, Varun Patel 4 out of 5, Pranav Kotian 5, Anusri Sakhalkar 1 question, very good. Pavitra Kumawat 5 out of 5, Lavinia Baraskar 3 out of 5, Ansh Yadav 4 out of 5, Arav Joshi 4 out of 5, Shruti Nair 5 out of 5, very good. Swara Madi 3 out of 5, Mohammed Mikhail 3 out of 5, Icha Chaudhary 5 out of 5, Dharti Patel 5 out of 5, Bhavesh Mali 4 out of 5, Bhavesh Mali 4 out of 5, Darsh More 5 out of 5, Soham Dhanamre 5 out of 4. How it is possible, my dear? 5 out of 4. How it is possible? Then 5 out of 4. Then you are writing improper fraction. Okay. Then if you are writing 5 out of 4 means you are writing improper fraction. Because numerator is greater than denominator. Chalo. 5 questions we did. Chalo, another 5 questions. And now this time I want everybody to score 5 out of 5. From integer only we will do it. Okay. Absolute value of, video is on, my dear. Absolute value of minus 7 minus absolute value of minus 3 plus absolute value of 5. 3 absolute values are there. Then 7th, if A is 10 and B is minus 6, then find the value of A plus minus B. A plus minus B. A plus minus B. Then 8th one. Simplify. Minus 28 minus 57 plus 128. The ninth question. Ninth question. Six, seven. No, it is different. It is different. Earlier it was a is equal to minus 10. Now I have taken a is equal to plus 10. Okay. Yes, clear? Yes or no, my dear? Minus 38 plus dash, minus 38 plus dash is equal to minus 79, minus 75. Minus 5. Fill in the blank. Find x. And one more question. 10th one. One more question. One more question. One more question. Successor of 98 plus 1 upon predecessor of 51. Yeah, do it. Chalo, do it. I want the answer of 5, each one of them. Do it fast. I am giving 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, we will see question number 6. Chalo, question number 6. Let me give you the option. Option A, minus 9, B, plus 9, C, 15, D, minus 15. Chalo, send me the answer of 6th. Tanmay Shinde B, Garv Vyas B, Pranav Potian B, Darsh Mori B. What about her? Mohammad Mikael B, Pavitra Kumaut B, Parth Joshi B, Anushree B, Bhavesh Mali B, Arav Joshi B, Lavina Baraskar B, Vamsi Rabaria B, Anushree Sakhalkar, I got 4. Varun Patel B, Soham Dhanawade B, Anshvi Varia B. Okay. So majority are giving the answer B. Screen is very much clear. Screen is now clear. Yes. Chalo. My dear, clear it. It is showing clear now from our side. One minute. Chalo, right. Chalo, send me the answer. So majority are telling me the answer of B. B means plus 9. So let us see whether it is plus 9 minus absolute value of minus 7 minus absolute value of minus 3 plus absolute value of 5. Whether number is negative or positive, its absolute value is always positive. So absolute value of minus 7 will be 7 minus absolute value of minus 3 will be 3 plus absolute value of 5 will be 5. 7 minus 3. Opposite sign. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5. Answer is plus 9. So the correct option is B. Plus 9. Yes? Is it clear, everybody? Okay. So the first answer 6. Correct option is B, 9. Time is up. Who told? You don't know? So, okay, yes. Yes. It is. Chalo. No discussion tomorrow. If tomorrow we can discuss, or 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. This you can solve on the paper and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay? Send me. Do not send me the solution. You write 7th, which of 7th answer, 8th answer, 9th answer, 10th answer. Direct answer. Chalo. Okay, or you can solve it and send me the solution also. No problem. I will consider. Okay? Bye, everybody. Bye.